Hi, today we are going to learn about relative layout and I will show you some examples so that you can understand well. So let's start. Relative layout enables you to specify how child views are positioned and relative to each other. The position of each view can be specified as relative to sibling elements or relative to the parent. As you can see the picture, the blue border is a parent view. Button 1, button 2, button 3, submit button is a child view. Button 1 is relative to the parent view. The left edge of the button 1 is relative to the left edge of the parent view. The top edge of the button 1 is relative to the top edge of the parent view. Button 2 is relative to button 1 as it is a right of button 1. Button 3 is a relative to button 1 as button 3 is below to the button 1 and submit button is relative to the parent view. So let's implement this. Open your Android Studio. Click on Start a new Android Studio project. Empty activity. Next. Name of your application. Relative layout. Example. Click on Finish. Click on Layout. Activity main.xml. Change it to relative layout. First we create button 1. Wrap contain. Layout height wrap contain. Click on design. As you can see there is a one button. Name is text button 1. Background button 1. Now we can see that it is relative to its parent view. It's relative to its parent view. Parent align and true, align parent right true, align parent bottom 2 because button 1 is relative to the parent view. Now we create second button. Sorry, layout word. Height wrap contain. Wrap contain. Text button 2. I'll give some idea. ID button 1. Layout to right of ID button 1. I'm going to delete all this. on top, layout margin top, I'll give some same here, layout margin top 50 dp. As we can see that the edge of second top edge of second button is relative to the parent view. Top edge of the button 1 is related to the parent view. Left edge of button 2 is relative to the button 1. Background color. Now we're going to create third button. Copy this. Give some ID. Button 2. This is button 3. Now I'm going to delete this. Below ID button 1. I'm going to delete this also. Now we can see that the button 3 is blue to the button 1. And the fourth button change the text button 4. Now delete below. It must be related to the parent view. So bottom align parent bottom true, center horizontal true, this true, change the text, submit. Now I'm going to run this project. Now you can see that button 1 which is relative to the parent view, button 2 is related to button 1, button 3 is related to button 1, and submit button is related to the parent view. I hope you understand well. Thank you.